Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the TNT app from Apple TV. Now this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who may have unsubscribed to TNT, or maybe you don't even use TNT at all. Why do you want it on your Apple TV? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually delete TNT is that you want to grab your remote and then click and hold the center icon here, or center button, this button here, and then this toggle menu is going to appear. So this toggle menu says edit home screen, and then it says move to, and then it says delete app. So go ahead and click on delete app in order to delete TNT from your Apple TV. But make sure that's what you want to do though, because in order to reinstall TNT, you're going to need to go back into the App Store and reinstall it. But just to recap, let me actually go ahead and click on TNT. Toggle over the TNT app. Click and hold the center icon for about 1 to 2 seconds. Wait until the toggle menu appears and then delete the app. But if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.